Hi, I'm Larissa Swanland, and my friend here is a Starbot animatronic robot head that is powered by the chipKIT 32 made by Digilent. So what we have going on right here is basically there are 3 servos, and each one of the servos controls a movement. And those 3 servos are tied to the SparkFun joystick shield that I only had to make one minor change to the Uno32, and that was to make sure that jumper 4, that's tied to pin 10 since I'm using pins 8, 9, and 10, jumper 4 was put in the PWM position instead of the SPI slave position that you can switch between. So the SparkFun joystick shield is actually one of my favorites because it's very simple and it's very easy to put together. And what it's doing here is the joystick is basically 2 potentiometers. And so the X direction, the horizontal direction, controls the first servo, which is tied to pin 8. And then the Y direction controls servo 2, that's tied to pin 9. And then using the select of the joystick, we open the mouth. And really, select is just a button. You can see there's a button in there. See the focus? There we go. So when you depress the joystick, you're clicking a button. So what I've done here is I have actually moved the power lines for the servo to an external power supply. So when you get over, usually it's 2 servos, you start to overtax the board for current. So it's usually a good practice to move your servos off, the power lines off of your microcontroller board, and make sure to tie ground from the board to the ground of your servos. And so here I have my external power supply. I'll post my code so you can see how the code was put together, but this was my experiment with the Uno32 powering my Starbot animatronic robot head. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you guys.